Myself, Dr. Shekhar Sajjanar, former Karnataka State Information Commissioner. In this video, I am presenting RTI Amendment Act 2019, which is effective in all over India from 24/10/2019, along with abrogation of Article 370 RTI Act. Now, on 31st/10/2019 onwards, Act is covered all over India, including Jammu and Kashmir. According to Section 27 of the RTI Act, says, power to make rules by appropriate government. Appropriate government means it is a central government. Since it is a central act, central government can make rules and amendments. According to that, central government has made amendment in RTI Act 2019, which is signed by President of India on 1/8/2019 and in O since 24/10/2019. According to the amendment, Section 13, terms of the office and conditions of the Chief Central Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners. Earlier, the period of service was 5 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier, which was now brought down to 3 years by Central RTI Rule number 3. On the same way, Section 16 of the RTI Act, terms and conditions of the State Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners, the service conditions period was 5 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. Now it is reduced to 3 years by Rule number 12. Here, central government says, instead of 5 years or 65 years, as prescribed by the central government, in his rule, it has made 3 years in both commissioners of Central Information Commissioners and State Information Commissioners. Rule number 5 regarding the salary status of the Central Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners. Earlier, Central Chief Information Commissioner was equated to the Chief Election Commissioner, and Information Commissioner was equated to the Election Commissioner. Now the salary is fixed for Chief Central Information Commissioner, the sum of rupees 2,50,000 rupees per month. For other commissioners, Central Information Commissioners, 2,25,000 rupees per month. It is fixed. DA admissible equal to the officer who holds the equal pay scale in the central government. In the same way, Rule number 14 of the Central Amendment Rules, State Information Commissioner was Chief Information Commissioner was equated to the Election Commissioner, and Information Commissioner was equated to the State Chief Secretary of particular state. Now, the salary is fixed for both Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioner of the state. Both are eligible for salary of 2,25,000 rupees is a fixed salary, along with DA admissible to the officer who holds the same pay scale in the state government. If at all Information Commissioner or Chief Information Commissioners, if they are holding any post in the government or any organization under control of the government, state or central, the pay, that pension will be deducted from the salary. This is the amendment in 2019 by the central government. The main cause, reason behind the amendment is, earlier Central Chief Information Commissioner was equated to the Chief Election Commissioner, and Information Commissioner was equated to the Supreme Court Judge. The order passed by the Central Information Commissioner, who is equated to the Supreme Court Judge, now it is questioned before the High Court, which is not admissible in judicial procedure. Hence, this amendment was brought by making the amendments in rule number section RTI section 13 and 16 by using the central government power under section 27 of the RTI Act. Thank you. Myself, Dr.Shekhar Sajjanar, former Karnataka State Information Commissioner. I was Information Commissioner from 2011 to 2016. I have brought out a book on RTI since 2015. The first edition, 2019 is the second edition. This is my third edition, 2023, which includes amendments of 2019 also. Anybody can get this book by phoning to this following number 99865 16343. Thank you.